be described as karma in action. USA Basketball has announced a complete overhaul of its selection process following the Caitlin Clark Olympic snub, and people are getting fired. Sue Bird is now in charge, and suddenly the path to Los Angeles 2028 looks very different for the Indiana Fever star. The aftermath of this decision is something nobody saw coming. So what really happened to Cheryl Reeve and the US Olympic Committee? He had their reasons for leaving Caitlin Clark off the team. Or at least that's what they wanted us to believe. According to Jen Rizzotti, the selection committee chair, the decision was purely based on basketball criteria. Experience mattered. International play mattered. Marketability and popularity? Not part of the equation.